what is good, peeps? Now, this may or may not go into a video, or turn into one, but with all that consideration, it's just gonna be a commuting video to uni. Now I got morning class. I'm running late because the bathroom was taken up this morning, sadly, and has kind of like pushed me back on time, which kind of sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Can't do a hell of a lot with that, and I'll be hitting a red light by the looks of it. And f you. Oh, they're good. They're good. Well, there you go. Seems like more people are wanting to get their hands on Ducatis. I mean, they're pretty little kitties. But yeah, I don't know if the mic picked up what he was saying. He was like, oh, I've ordered one. And I was just like, oh, nice, bro. They're a very nice bike. They're really, really nice. Good piece of kit. I can definitely say that from first-hand experience because I've had it for so goddamn long. I mean, there's definitely some stuff that I would change on the bike, but you know, slow process, sadly. Not a hell of what I can do on that one. I ain't waiting on that crap. Miss me with that shit, boy. Yo. I just need to be careful if I'm going into the outside lane there, because of the well, it's a construction area, so it's likely to have garbage. And this is precisely why I hate people, because they have this whole stretch till well before the next exit to actually get in front and merge in. You have plenty of time to merge, but no, they decide to merge as soon as they hit the damn entrance, clogging it all up. Boy, people are stupid. So stupid, bro. Like, what are you thinking, Holmes? Like, shit, boy. But yeah, but actually back to what I was saying. Yeah, there's a couple of things I would change, like on the bike. Well, I've already started the process of changing. God damn, why is everyone's back end sticking so far out? Like, bruh, what the heck? Why do heck? Like, wait, I see you, cuz. What the frick? And that's why I don't like the big trucks. But yeah, I would like to change a few more things. Like, I've already done it. Like, pegs, the rear pegs are gonna, well, my pegs are gonna be the next thing I need to change. Because the stock pegs, it's almost like they pulled it off the old 899s and small ones, because they're not that grippies. They're not grippies, man. They don't got no grippies. Ay, 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 muy bien. What the frick? With this traffic. This traffic is also like just due to the construction, which is my favorite thing to moan about. also doesn't help. You have dead set special people not pre-planning their exits and being in the right lane, and then they get cut off. They cut off the other lanes, blocking it up. Like, look at that. Those guys are going to try and merge, but they'll be merging right as they hit their entrance, rather than running it down and giving each other more space. But those goddamn lizard brains, bro, they don't really think. But yeah, along with the construction and big ballway vehicles, yeah, it's always cluttered. It's a mother clucker, I tell ya. But just like I said, if the commuters were using more motorcycles, a hell of a lot less congestion, I'm gonna tell you that much. The annoying thing is that the next oh wait, my throat is all janky and shit. The next throttle point is coming up, because you have the on-ramp coming in and then not too far away you have an off-ramp, and this is where the main construction is going on. So it's a bit of a point of stress, if I do say so myself. But at least this part here flows just a wee bit better than where I just was, just due to the fact that there's 3 lanes here rather than 2. Oh, actually, yeah, they put in little bollards to force people to actually run it down rather than cut in front of other people. Ah, clever cookies. Well, I say that, but they've been doing this for quite a while, so maybe not so clever, huh? Oh, goddamn it, my fuel light came on. And you have clowns like this. They'll stay staggered, then they'll go parallel, and then one will go staggered in front a little bit. Go. Get out. Get out of the lane, dingus. I'm trying to get ahead, not behind, my G. Alrighty, class is all hunky-dory, it's done with. Time to head home, because I got a lot of work to do, y'all. Hell of a lot of work to do. Heckin' hell of a lot of work. Why on earth are you high beaming me during the day? Why do heck, man? Why do heck? Sand it, nerd, the turning. Yeah, yeet. Yeah, yeet. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am gonna call it here. Thank y'all for watching, you beautiful people. It's just another shitposting video. So if you enjoy me whinging and moaning about shit, hit that thumbs up button, I guess. And if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, bro. And brodettes, because every little bit helps. And wow, tongue-tied, holy shit, every little bit helps, and every little person who subscribes contributes to me setting goals on YouTube. And for those OGs who are returning to my videos all the time, thank y'all for being so supportive. I love y'all to bits. But without further ado, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace, ride safe, and always